Hello everyone. In this lecture now we are going to see the installation of opencv with Python, and we are going to make use the pip command to install it, and the package which we use in program is known as cv2, but the actual name is opencv, as it also supports C++ language and all, but mostly 99% opencv is used with the Python only. And now let us see the installation. Yes. Now, firstly, you need to open the command prompt. Now, first, let me verify my pip whether it is present or not. Yes, my pip is present. Now, what you need to do is you need to see the upgraded version of the pip. This is the command used to upgrade the pip. And if you get some error, it will ask to run a line, then you need to run it. Then the previous pip will be uninstalled and the latest pip will be installed. As mine is upgraded one, I am not getting any such kind of errors or warnings. Yeah. Now to install opencv, pip install opencv hyphen, for Python we are doing, right? So you need to mention that thing. Yes, as I already installed, I got directly like this. Yeah, and one more thing is that pip install opencv-python is used. This command is used only for installing the main modules. But if you want the extra and if you want the complete, then you need to use one more thing in middle. Contribute, contrib, I guess. Just a second. Yes, it is actually contrib. Let me run that command also. Yes, the packages are being collected. It takes time, you need to wait because since it is related to image processing and all, it takes somewhat time, as this is the one of the complicated package. Yes, now you can see successfully it is installed. So complete contribution set, nothing but all the packages of the OpenCV are installed, which are not mandatory also. Yes, but there is a one more folder. Here pip install opencv python is there, right? Some of the latest Python versions or some of the latest pip versions does not support it actually. Means it depends on your version. If this command is not working for you, just copy it. Control C. Just here you need to give number 3. That's it. Pip 3 install opencv-python. Anything works fine. If the upper one does not work, then you need to use this command. Don't forget. This is the complete installation of opencv Python. Here while installing, we are saying opencv, right? But in programs, we are not going to use that name actually. For verification, you can open IDLE. From command prompt also you can do, that's not an issue, but I'll show from IDLE. Import CV2. Yes, I did not got any error, right? It means that my execution is successfully done and installation is of that particular package, nothing but OpenCV package is absolutely done. That's the reason I did not got any error. If suppose anyone, let me say, import TensorFlow. This actually we are not using, just I am showing. Yes, here I got error, right? Because that package is not installed. I need to install. Similarly, I for TensorFlow, Keras and those all also, which we'll see in other sections. But for this OpenCV, it is not required actually. Yeah, in program we are going to use this name only. The reason why I am saying these many times is here any package you install, you will install with a name, right? For example, pip install numpy, pip install pandas. Then directly here you are going to use that name only. Import pandas, import numpy and all we are going to use. Those are direct names. That's the reason there will be not an issue. Only in case of this OpenCV, there will be a slight change. That's the reason I am saying these many times. CV2 is the package name we are going to use throughout our OpenCV lectures. And this is the complete installation commands. Better you take a screenshot of it. Anyhow, I'll mention in the description of video also. It's not an issue. Hope you all understood, and from the next video lecture we are going to start basic OpenCV operations. Firstly, we will perform on image, guys. Once the images is over, then we are going to work on with videos. And then we are going to merge them, videos and images one. Like we can use in various applications. Images simply for converting black and white and for rotating and all, which you have seen Scilab playlist of this YouTube channel. Similar operations we are going to perform for image here also. But coming to videos, here we are going to work more with videos, as in real life application those are linked to videos, right? Yeah. And we are go. One more thing, what I said, just one. Firstly, we'll do normal videos, nothing but like CC cameras and all. Then slowly, object detection, object recognition, form a rectangle around that moving object, like that. All we are going to perform. And one more, the main applications are you can keep for attendance system. Whenever a person enters the classroom, it will detect the face and automatically it will mark present, and if it goes out it will be marked as absent and all. We can adjust it as per our timings also. That's the real time application we are going to implement all those. And one of the projects which I have worked with, gun detection in a huge crowd. Those are very easy, guys. And for mainly if you are focusing on some of the fields, like I have mentioned gun detection, or it can be some smoke detection and all. For that, you need to download the cascade files that will be in XML format always. Maximum will be in XML, and in some cases it will be HTML, those cascade files. Those are provided by Google, and after getting those, we will link it to our program, same like import statement and all. And it is very simple, guys. There is nothing complex in this OpenCV. You will enjoy a lot throughout these sessions. Hope you all understood. If you are facing any issues during the installation, you can drop in the comment section. I will help you always. Don't worry. Thank you.